Today we're gonna make chorizo con papas, or potatoes with chorizo. And the frying pan's hot and I'm gonna add the oil. And here I have a chopped garlic clove and half an onion in slices. Now the onion is sauteed. We're gonna add 5 potatoes chopped like this. Add some salt. And we're gonna cover them so they cook evenly. Another frying pan, we're gonna fry the chorizo. Now the frying pan is ready, we're gonna add the oil. I'm using 11 ounces of chorizo. Now we're gonna uncover. I'm gonna stir them. Now the chorizo is ready. We're gonna add it to the potatoes. Now we're gonna try the chorizo con papas. I'm gonna have it with some homemade queso fresco. I already have the recipe how to make it.